Rahul ji and other members of the Central Election Committee will participate. A number of seats have been discussed over a period of 2 days and a number of seats have been decided. Tomorrow morning we shall hand over a list of concluded seats to you. Before 11 o'clock the list shall be with you. I am giving you the deadline also. Before 11 a.m. tomorrow we shall hand over a number of lists that have been already concluded, and the CEC shall carry on its discussion tomorrow at 2:30 on the remaining few seats that are left. I also want to say that as promised by the Indian National Congress, our Karnataka unit, we were the first ones across the state to declare 124 candidates. We will also declare multiple other numbers of seats tomorrow. My question to our friends in the Bharatiya Janata Party is, why are they scared? Why have they not released a single name? Does it not prove that BJP MLAs and ministers, they are being now pushed? Please get ready, please get ready, get ready. They are saying, no, I don't want to fight, no, get ready. I don't want to fight, no, get ready. Okay, CM, I don't want to fight from this seat. CM also wants to jump to another seat. Minister, I don't want to fight this seat. I want to go to another seat. A tamasha is happening. Reason is that, as you were talking about